Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. There are some major developments, especially on the long-term chart that I want to share with you today. So don't skip the video, watch all the video up to the end. And if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Now, this was the chart that I shared on 5th of July. Let me show you first this move, and I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line is doing right now. Okay, this was the chart, and we can see that the price action completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal bat move and entered the buying zone. And I told you that we are having a very strong support of 50 weekly simple moving average, and you can see that the price action was getting bounced by this support. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action is now reverse bullish after testing this 50 simple moving average support, and now it is out of this buying zone. And our targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this very big bullish bat pattern, are from $0.0061 to 1.1 cents. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then we can see that while the price action was getting bounced by 50 simple moving average, it was also taking a very nice bounce from a very strong key level support of $0.002. And this is the key level support for the price line. I told you in my previous video as well, because here for several weeks it has been breaking as a very strong resistance, and this time you can see that for several weeks this support that was previously working as a resistance now turned into the support, and it worked again. Very nice support again and again. And you can see here the price line on the weekly time frame tested the support in here as well, and now finally the price action is moved to the next resistance of $0.004. Now, if the price line will be able to break out this resistance, then our next resistance will be at $0.0065. And here you can see that previously it has been working as a very strong support. Therefore, this time it can work as a very nice resistance as well. And then our final resistance will be approximately at 1 cent. You can see previously we had a very strong rejection, and the price action moved at this key level support. Now, if we take a look at another support level that I showed you in my previous video, and this was an article that I shared at the TradingView, and you can see at that time we were having another down trendline support as well, and we were moving under the exponential moving average 10 and 21. And in my previous video I also told you that the MACD is turning bullish and the stochastic is oversold. Therefore, we can have a very nice bounce, and this time we can break out this EMA 21. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action is still having a very nice bounce and moving to the upside. And if I place the EMA 21 and 10 on the weekly time frame live chart, then we can see that the price action has broken out EMA 10 and 21 both, and now the EMA 10 is moving up to cross up this EMA 21. That will be the really very powerful bullish signal, because previously when we received this bull cross, when this blue line crossed up this red line, the EMA 10 crossed up the EMA 21 here, then we can see we had a very nice pump. After that we had approximately, let me show you, I'm just going to place this measurement tool from here to this high, and we can see we had more than 3,500% big pump, and then the price line moved down after finding a very strong resistance here at this very strong key level support. And previously when we were watching, the MACD was turning bullish. That was the first signal by the MACD indicator that it is turning bullish, because it was very strong bearish and it was turning weak bearish from strong bearish. Now, if we take a look at the MACD current situation on the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that it is turning more and more bullish, and we have also received a very clear bull cross. That is a very strong buying signal on the weekly time frame chart by the stochastic oscillator, because this blue line of the stochastic has crossed up this red line. That is a very strong buying signal, especially when we are receiving this buying signal from the oversold zone. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, at the same time, while the price action has broken out the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame the price action has broken out the 200. This yellow one is the 200 simple moving average, and the 100 simple moving averages as well. But here we have a rejection line on the daily time frame chart. It is quite visible. Previously it was working as a very strong rejection or resistance line. We had a rejection here, a rejection here, another rejection here as well. And if we connect all these lines, then we can see that the price action has recently broken out this very strong rejection or resistance line as well. Now if the price line will move down, then it can retest its previous resistance line as a support. However, we are having very nice supports now. These moving averages can work as a very nice support, like 100 and 200, and they can stop the price line to move down back to this resistance line to test it as a support. Now I'm just going to take you to the more smaller time frame chart, which is a 1 hourly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price action has formed this down channel and moving very well in this channel, but here the price action is being accumulated. Now why it is being accumulated here, if I place this trend line from here, then we can see that the price action has also found a support that is coming from here, from 5th of August on this hourly time frame, and now the price action is again getting bounced by this support, and this is a symmetrical triangle. For example, now if the price action will break out the symmetrical triangle, then we can take the measurement from here, because here we have more candlesticks moving in this triangle. Therefore I'm just taking the measurement from here. That will be a very small target, and if I place it here, then we can see that our next imminent target will be $0.0041. Now if I switch to the 4 hourly time frame chart, then we can see that this is in fact a bull flag as well. Previously we also had a bull flag, nice bull flag here. We had a nice rally, price line formed a bull flag, broke out this bull flag, and then we had a next rally. Now after breaking out, if we take a look at the bull flag's target, then we just need to take the measurement of the pole of this bull flag and place it here. That will be the big target, and that can be imminent as well, because this is a 4 hourly time frame chart. That will be $0.0052. However, our Fibonacci targets as per this weekly big bullish bad pattern can be from $0.00631 to 1.1 cents, and I'm expecting that after such a big bullish reversal like we are at this time, we are witnessing that the price action has started this big bullish reversal from this big bullish harmonic bat move. We can expect that the price action can move to hit this 1 cent resistance level to break it out and form a higher than the previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and you can also share my videos as well. And don't forget to support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You will find here I've shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.